Hello everyone, welcome back to Amagama, the home of African names. Today's video is all about beautiful Xhosa names that are rooted in a spiritual bond with God. These names carry powerful meanings. Some are heartfelt calls to seek a relationship with God, and others celebrate His greatness. So without further ado, let's jump in. First up, we have Sabata. Sabata, a classic boy's name with roots in the Hebrew word Sabbath. It also shares the same meaning. Up next is Linamandla. Linamandla, meaning it has power. This name blends a soft feminine vibe with a bold masculine edge, thanks to Lina keeping it tender and Mandla adding that powerful punch. What do you think? Would you give the name to a boy or a girl? Let us know below. And next up, we've got another beautiful unisex name, and that is Liveni. Liveni. Now, this name feels like a heartfelt plea, and it means hear the word of God. It speaks to a wider audience beyond just the child. Now compare that to live and alive. Live shares the same meaning as liveni, but focuses only on the child, while alive means may you hear the word of God. So between liveni, live and alive, which would you go for? Drop your thoughts below. Next up, we've got the timeless unisex name, Xhosa. Xhosa. Its full form is Xhosa ngaye, meaning rely on God. Now, the name is commonly chosen for girls, which I love, but honestly, it has that versatile charm that suits boys just as well. Next up is one of my favorite names actually. We've got Lidinga. Lidinga, which means fulfilled promise. The idea of a child being a living symbol of your covenant with God being fulfilled is just so beautiful to me. Up next is Ithandile. Ithandile, a stunning name that translates to God has willed it. Up next, we've got Lukholo. Lukholo, a name that means it's faith. Now let's move on to Inenceba. Inenceba. This lovely name translates to God is merciful. Now let's move on to the timeless classic Sikelela. Sikelela. And the last name for today is Lemithandazo. Lemithandazo, and it means prayers.